Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I have this cool mixer right here, and basically what these are some Bluetooth wireless karaoke microphones. So this is the one I reviewed in the past, but this one right here is a new one that I just got. So before I show you guys the old one that I tested right here, let me actually open up the new one that we got right here first. So obviously both of these are from the same brand, but this one's a little bit different. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like. So first thing, if you can see in the package right here, they provide you guys some of the specs that's on here. But when you guys open it up, this is basically what it actually looks like inside. So it basically comes with a case right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so when I take it out, this is basically what the case looks like. So it comes with a little carabiner right here, and it has this little zipper option right here. And in the front right here, they do have the brand logo right here. And when you guys feel the case right here, it definitely feels like a high quality case. But let's open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open the product, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they provide you guys a windscreen option right here for the microphone. Right here they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and how to set it up. Right here they provide you guys a bunch of cables. So right here we have a USB to micro USB cable. So I'm assuming that's the cable I'm going to use to recharge the product. And right here we have a micro USB to aux cable. And that is basically all the cables that's provided for you guys. But last but not least, we have the actual product right here. So you can see right here is basically the microphone option. And then right on the side right here is the speaker. And the cool thing about the speaker right here, supposedly it's supposed to light up. And I'll show you guys whether that actually is true or not in a second. But you see in the front right here, there's a bunch of buttons and switches on here. So we have a mic option, a echo option, a music option, mode, play and pause button, a power button, a rewind and forward button right here. And we see in the bottom right here, they have a bunch of other slots as well. So they basically have a micro USB slot right here. We have an aux option right here. And then we have a micro SD card slot option right here. And then the bottom part right there, they do have a USB option as well. So I'm assuming for the bottom part right here, since it has a USB option, you could probably use it as a power bank, but we'll test that out in a second. Let me actually test that out right now to see how that works. So first thing I want to do is turn it on first. Alright, so you see that when we turn it on, it actually lights up on the side right here. But let's test out the bottom part here first. So we got that part plugged in. Let's try to plug it into our phone. Alright, so I guess this bottom part here, you can connect it onto your phone. And you can also recharge as well, like a regular power bank, which is pretty awesome. And for this product, you can connect it onto Bluetooth. So I'm actually connect it on Bluetooth first. Alright, so we got it connected on Bluetooth. Let's try to play a song on here. So if you can hear the speaker on here is not the best, but it definitely does work. But let's test out the mic on here and see how that works. So I'm going to turn down the music switch first, and we'll turn on the mic. So now if you guys can hear, this is basically what the mic sounds like. If you guys want to use the echo option, let me show you guys what that sounds like as well. So we turn on the echo option right here. If you guys can hear, this is basically what the echo sounds like when you guys turn it on. And then if you guys want to turn on like the music option to do karaoke at the same time, you definitely can. You can definitely use the buttons on here as well. So I click on the play button. If I want to go next song. Alright, so you see that everything on here definitely works pretty well. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the bottom option on here, you definitely can as well. But I can see throughout the microphone right here, it definitely lights up on the side, which is pretty nice. So I'm using this product in the darkness, it actually looks a lot cooler. So I'm actually plugging the cable to show you guys how to charge it first before I show you guys the other microphone. So I use the cable that they provide for us right here and plug it into my power bank that we have right here. And basically I just want to plug it in the bottom part right here. Alright. So you see right here, if you guys can see the light turn red, and that is how you guys know when it's charging. And assuming once it's fully charged, that light should change to green or to turn off. But that is basically everything that's on this part right here. Let me show you the other one to give you guys a side-by-side comparison of what it actually looks like when you guys look at that one versus this one right here. Alright, so here is the other one that we have. If you guys can see, it comes with the same exact case. But when you guys open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they basically still provide you guys the cable, they provide you guys the windscreen option right here. But right here is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys look at that side by side, this is basically what it actually looks like. When you guys feel the material on the actual handle part right here, it actually feels nicer on this one right here. And then see the way how they designed the middle part right here is slightly different as well. But I'm actually connect this on Bluetooth as well to show you guys what it actually sounds like if you guys play music on here. Alright, so we got connected. So to hear the audio on here actually sounds a lot better than the other one. But I'm actually test the other one more time just to double check. Alright, let's play again. So right in here, I'm not quite sure what's going on right here, but definitely when we test out the speaker in this one versus this one right here, the speaker on this one definitely performs a lot better. But let's test out the microphone on here versus this one right here. Alright, so basically what you're listening to right now is the audio that's coming from here. Now let me test out the other one right here and show you guys what that sounds like as well. Alright, so here is what it sounds like on this one right here. If you guys can hear, it actually sounds pretty good. So when I compare this one versus the other one, it's almost about the same, but it seems like this one performs a little bit better. But definitely one of the main differences I noticed about this one versus the other one that we have right here is the light that lights up on the side. And also when you guys play the music on here using the speaker, this one seems a lot better than this one as well. But in terms of everything else that's on here, they both work the same way in terms of playing and pausing music. And also for this one here, give you guys the option to actually recharge your device at the same time if you guys want to as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for both of these products here, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to host like a party with your families or friends and you guys want to get like a microphone to sing karaoke or something, then definitely getting one of these are super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.